In the last lecture, I talked about the binary search tree, the basic of binary search tree, and its advantages. And we talked about the advantage of this binary search tree is we can use this tree for search operation. And there are limitation is if the skewed is not balanced, then we will not get desired result. So our today's the topic is the insertion of a node and deletion of a node in a binary search tree. So we will start from insertion and then after deletion. Now, how we can construct a binary search tree? So we how to build and maintain binary tree? We will use this insertion and deletion, and to maintain the key property, that is a smaller value in the left subtree and the larger value in the right subtree. So at the time of insertion and deletion, we have to ensure that the smaller value should be in the left subtree and the larger value should be in the right subtree at each and every node. Now, insertion. Firstly, we will discuss this procedural algorithm and then example. So perform search for value X. In the last lecture, I talked about how we can search a node in binary search tree. So if you are not aware, then please see the previous video. So we will perform search for value X. Search will end at node Y. If X not in the tree. If it is found, then it is well and good. And if it is not found, then it will end at Y. If X is less than Y, if X is less than Y, then we will insert new node as a leaf node, as a leaf node in the left subtree of Y. So insert this X as a leaf node in the left subtree of Y. And if this X is greater than Y, then insert this X as a leaf node where as a right subtree for Y. Okay, so it's a very simple algorithm. Now, there are few observations. O log n operation for balance tree, as I said earlier also, and insertion may unbalance tree. This is the reason, because of the operation of insertion and deletion, there are the possibility that our tree become imbalanced. So now, see this example. Suppose this is the tree we have and we want to insert 20. So we will check from the root. We will apply find operation as previously we did in the last video. We will check from the root node. It is 10, 20 is greater, then we will come right. Again, it is less than 30, then we will come left. Again, less than 25, we will come left. So here the search is completed. 20 is not found in the binary search tree, so that's why we will insert here. So 20 is less than 25, 20 is less than 25, so it will be left child of 25. Okay, so this is the simple way for insertion. We will search. If it is where the search is completed, If it is less than, that will be left child. If it is greater than, it will be right child. Now, deletion operation. In deletion operation, in the deletion operation, uh, firstly, again, we will perform search operation. So you can see this search operation will be used in insertion and deletion both. So it is a primary operation. Now, there are three options basically. If we want to delete any node in the binary search tree, then we will replace that node by any node in its subtree. So it may be in the left subtree, it may be the right subtree. So we will have here three cases. The first one, if X is leaf, if X is leaf, definitely if the element is found in the binary search tree, then only we can delete. If it is not found, then we will simply announce that node is not found. So after this performance, suppose we got the node. If X is a leaf, it is case one. So simply remove from the tree. So not to be deleted is a leaf. तो यदि सिंपली लीफ है तो सिंपली रिमूव हो जाएगा, सो नो इशू. एल्स पार्ट, यदि वो लीफ नहीं है, कोई इंटरनल नोड है, देन वी हैव टू ऑप्शन, केस 2 एंड केस 3. केस 2 इज नोड टू बी डिलीटेड हैज ओनली वन चाइल्ड. जिस नोड को हमें डिलीट करना है, यदि वो सिर्फ का उसका वन चाइल्ड है, तो सिंपली वी विल रिप्लेस दैट नोड बाय इट्स चाइल्ड. So copy the child to the node and delete the child. या हम सिंपली कर सकते हैं कि चाइल्ड नोड को हम उस नोड्स को उसके चाइल्ड से रिप्लेस कर देंगे, या हम कहें कॉपी नोड को हम वहां पे कॉपी चाइल्ड को कॉपी कर देंगे और चाइल्ड को डिलीट कर देंगे. सो इफ यू कैन से द नोड विल बी डिलीटेड by replacing by its child. Now case 3, node to be deleted has two children. यदि जिस नोड को हमें डिलीट करना है, यदि उसके दो चिल्ड्रन हैं, find in order successor of the node. In that case, we have to find out in order traversal sequence of the that subtree So it is better that if you are applying more than one deletion operation, then find traversal, in order traversal. It will be used in wherever required. So find in order successor of the node, copy contents of the in order successor to the node and delete the in order successor. Note that in order predecessor can also be used. So what we are doing, firstly we will find the in order successor, and then we will replace this node by its in order successor. Why we are replacing by in order successor? In order successor means you know that in order successor, that root of the subtree will be traversed first, and after that node. So definitely that node will have greater value because it is in the right subtree. So if we will replace by that node, then the property of binary search tree will be satisfied. So this is the point. So we are taking this example now. Node to be deleted is a leaf. So simply remove from the root like this. Here we have 20. So this is just one node. So we can simply delete it. So you can see 20 is deleted. Again, node to be deleted has only one child. So like here in this we have 30. And we want to delete 30. So if it is just the node have just one child, so we can replace this 30 by 40. So here we got 40. Again, not to be deleted. Next one has two children. Now we want to delete 50. So you can see it. This node have two children, 40 and 70. So we will find out the in order successor. In order successor, in order successor क्या होगा? Definitely, firstly in order successor में तो we can find the traversal 40, then 50, then again 60, then 70, and then 80. So in order successor, immediately after 50, we will have in order successor 60. So we can delete 50 and we will replace this 50 by its in order successor, that is 60. So you can see 60 will be here. So this is the simple approach for deletion of the node. So enough for today. In the next lecture, we will talk about the AVL tree and AVL search tree. Thank you.